gonna spend a lot of time in Europe. And
Alright, so today I have something very special. We're actually going to be going on a tour with this Airbnb experience. So you know how in Airbnb you can actually stay at a place? They have this little tab where you can experience things with the locals. And today we're here in Sintra going on a tour to many different places, and we're going to have a picnic. The first stop is this actual place called the Blue Lagoon. A lot of other random solo travelers are here with us, so we're gonna see how it goes.
Yeah, they don't need this.
Yeah.
They don't, we can't think of like, traveling without having income coming in. Yeah.
So this is the first stop, and just look at how beautiful this place is. The trees, the water. Talking to our Airbnb experience host, he was telling us that a lot of musicians come here. A lot of people come here to shoot their weddings. So if you're coming to Portugal to have your wedding here or shoot some photos, this might be the place to actually come do it. There's like literally no tourists here. It's mainly just families having picnics and everything. Picnics. So that's probably what I would try to come here for. Peace and quiet.
My suggestion for you at the moment, you can take a small free walk here by the village while we'll prepare the food and wine break for you at the stone table, and we'll meet you in a few minutes.
okay.
Yeah? And we started making some bride transportation with the classical cars, the weddings, and Rita do the decoration of the cars. And after some weeks we realized that would be perfect to pair the weddings and the tours. And at the moment we are trying to create our own paradise, for sure. Yeah. And we both grew up in families with classical cars. So, and here in Portugal it's not so hard to find some tips and parts. Yeah, I grew up with the Citroën, stopped in my garage, and Rita's father had a Fiat 600.
600.
Yeah, the little one.
And the Renault 4L.
Yeah, this one is a recent acquisition, the Volkswagen van, and it's very nice for us when we want to travel. We take off the seats, and with the seats we can host bigger groups.
And your seat is our bed.
It's a very nice vehicle.
And this is pumpkin jam. It's very common, the jams from the fruits and vegetables of the season. Tomato jam is popular as well, but the pumpkin is one of our favorites. This is Rita's specialty, pastel de bacalhau. Bacalhau means codfish, and it's made of potato, cod, parsley, and eggs. This is three different kinds of cow cheese. Normal one, curated. This one has basil and tomato, and the orange color is a sweet bell pepper paste that we use to conserve it. This is a mixture with mushrooms and linguiça. Linguiça, it's similar to a chorizo. It's more like a smoked Portuguese sausage with thyme. And this is the original wine. This is the name of the volcano that we saw on the way. The name of the volcano is Penedo do Leixim, and from a very small town very close where we are right now, called Cheleiros, with two traditional Portuguese ribes, Toriga Nacional and Aragonês. It's a very easy drinkable wine. Hope you like it. All of you will drink it?
Yes.
Oh, most definitely.
Oh.
And I like Italian wines from Tuscany. It's very good.
So
I think it does know that about yourself, and you're just like, okay, now we're gonna do it.
Oh, tough life.
yeah.
They probably do sell white wines too.
I find like Portuguese are very discreet, like more modest about promoting their.
I can see to you that Rita's pastel de bacalhau, it's
To go with the car because you're gonna see the landscapes and it's worth it than to go to hotel.
Yeah, like
trendy. Mon chéri. No, but I met.
What is that?
You think ginger is similar to mon chéri?
No, they'd be like with the chocolate.
Oh,
like,
with the chocolate.
when
With
you
the
have
cup
like,
of chocolate.
Yeah, with a cup of chocolate.
Ginger?
Yeah.
Ginger, it's
First time I heard about it.
Ginger, it's a fruit very similar to a cherry, but it's not a cherry. It's more sour, but it's the same size, same color, comes from a tree. And here in Portugal we like to do the liquor with ginger. We use the pure state of the alcohol, we use the aguardente, and it's like maceration process with the fruits, the cinnamon sticks and the aromatic leaves. This one was made by me and Rita's father last summer, so hope you like it.
So cute. And how are you gonna come back now?
How are you gonna come down?
So we just had like the best picnic. I've just had the best picnic in my life, honestly. Meeting different people, people from Nicaragua, people from San Francisco, people from the Netherlands, people who are just traveling everywhere, people that are from Portugal, sitting around on a table, eating cheese, eating meat, drinking wine, drinking a local drink. It's just so amazing. Like, this countryside is so beautiful. And I'm telling you guys, if you're coming to Portugal, try this Airbnb experience with these people, with a classic vehicle right here. Like, just a beautiful classic vehicle. And plus they have the cutest dog ever, like the cutest dog ever. All right, so I'm here at the last stop. I can't even pronounce it. Where are we at?
Ericeira, the fishing town close to Lisbon.
Very beautiful ocean. I'm telling you right now, like, if you're thinking about traveling and doing an Airbnb experience, you should definitely do it. Like, just look how beautiful this place is. And these random people that I had the chance to meet, they could have been weirdos, but they seem pretty cool. I don't know, I like weirdos too, though. Like the good weirdos, not like the creeps.
That black shellfish with the spines, the urchin, it's the symbol of the village, Ericeira. So here is a traditional sweet with the name ouriço, urchin. It's made of almonds and eggs. There is no seafood inside it, don't worry. So hope you like it.
Thank you. Okay, so finally, after flying the drone, I get to taste this treat that everyone else was tasting, so.
Do you work in the...
Sorry?
Oh my god.
No, actually, we studied sports, science.
It's like a cornbread, but like so much more fancier. Like, just look at the texture of it. It's I don't know what it is, but about like Portuguese people, but like they're on it about like the pastries, like baking, like. Okay, this is amazing.
Yes.
Amazing.
Right after Lisbon and Porto, Ericeira was the third biggest port used as a daily merchandising. So yeah, with the cannons to protect from the pirates and the foreign people. This Praia dos Pescadores were used to like a daily market square.
If you're asking yourself right now, should you solo travel? Should you hop on that plane, that train by yourself? I'm telling you right now, if you've been looking for a hint, this is that hint right now. You should come to Portugal. You should go wherever you want to go. I'm telling you right now, it is good for the heart, the soul, the mind, and just taking that step might seem really, really scary, because I'm telling you right now, it's very scary at first, but when you meet other people and realize that like, this is really worth it, like, you should definitely go for it. Like, just look at all these other people that like, I had a chance to meet. So many different new faces, their own stories, their own cultures, and like, you gotta love beaches. You gotta love beaches. But we're about to head back to the train station and head back to Lisbon, back to the city. I'm telling you guys right now, like, my heart is like really happy right now. You can probably see it in my face, honestly. I'm telling you guys, if you want to experience Portugal with a local family and a dog, I'm telling you guys, they're the people that you should definitely go. You should definitely go. You cannot forget the dog, Musa. You cannot. Just look how beautiful she is. Very local experience. You get to meet great people that are just all around amazing. I can't promise though you'll have the best group like us. With that being said, hope everyone has a great day, no matter where you are in the world. Buena notte.